TJ Giant, 40-38, and we are at halftime. Of course, with your resident exterminators, Agent R and Agent J, Richard Del Rosario with Coach Joey Santamaria. Update ngayon natin ngayon, Agent Joey, yung nakita mo dito sa ating first half. Yan, tanong dyan, nakita mo ba talaga? Kasi parang madilim ngayon dito eh.
Wala akong makita. Pero medyo napanood ko naman, Richard.
Okay.
At ayon sa pagsisiyasat ng mga agent dito, James Yap, yung scoring niya, dapat malimit ng Coca-Cola. So far, 10 points. Pero ang average niya, 24. So, okay lang yan. Para hindi masyadong nila na-solve yung scoring ni James Yap. They have to do a better job in the second half. Ngayon, pagdating sa rebounds, kailangan nabanggit natin. They have to win off the rebounds. So far, talo pa rin sila. 24-19 on the rebounds. But ang magandang nangyari sa Coca-Cola, yung match the intensity and physicality nitong Coca-Cola, nagawa nila. Talagang sinabayan nila ang pagka-physical and forced them into 17 turnovers kung kaya sila ang lumalamang ngayon.
Ayan na nga, makikita nyo po dyan on your screens. Total rebounds, well, natatalo dyan ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Pero maganda dyan for the Coca-Cola Tigers. They have kept in step with the Pure Foods TJ Giant. They have been dictating the tempo here in the first half. At makikita nyo nga po, the battle of the boards, Pure Foods pa rin ang nangunguna dito. At syempre, marami rin tayong mga physicality at intensity. Grabe dito sa ball game na to kasama ng Joey.
Yes, ayan ang sinasabi natin. Coca-Cola, minamatch itong style ng Pure Foods na physikalan, which kailangan na talaga dito sa bagong sistema ng PBA. You have to be strong and you have to be in condition dahil nakakapagod yung banggaan na yan.
Alright, ngayon naman, Tito, titingnan natin yung mga halftime stats natin between these two teams.
Almost equal, no? Field goal, both teams not shooting well at all. 38-39% for Coca-Cola. Assist lamang ang Coca-Cola. 12-6 turnovers. Sinasabi natin sloppy, no? Mas marami turnovers. Very uncharacteristic dahil average nila 19 lang. First half pa lang, 17 na sila. And second chance points, Pure Foods staying in the game, leading. Second chance points, 9-4.
Oh, yan na nga, no? You have 17 turnovers, really being the main problem of the Pure Foods TJ Giants. At ngayon naman, sisilipin natin, sino ba ang mga leading scorers ng dalawang kupulan?
Well, Coca-Cola, sa pagkawala ni Ali Pig early on with 3 fouls. John Arrigo, 9 points. Cabagnot and Buenafe, 7. Pero may magandang contribution din. Ito sina Catley at si... sino pa? Ito si
Mark Isip. Roger Enrile.
Pure Foods, siyempre, the big two. Kirby Raimundo, 11. James Yap, 9. Jonathan Salvador with 5.
Alright, so yan na po. Magtatapos na ang ating Petron XCF halftime report. Pero dyan lumamplap. Okay, magsisimula na po ang ating second half of action. At ito pong Pure Foods TJ Giant. Ano, pinag-uusapan natin. Uy, ito si Tolomia. Trying to outmuscle. Outmuscle. Ito si Mark Pingris. Pero ano mo, Agent J. Pinag-uusapan nga natin dito, no? Itong Pure Foods TJ Giants in familiar territory at the half dahil the first 5 games sila, isang beses lang sila na lumamang at the halftime. Oo, against Ginebra.
Kay Ginebra. Yung first 4 games sila, either tight or lamang yung kabila ng malaki-laki.
Yun na nga.
But always in the second half, Richard, Pure Foods outscoring yung mga kalaban nila by almost 14 points every game sa second half.
The main challenge for the Coca-Cola Tigers actually, dito pa lang magsisimula. James Yap. And Ali Pig back at the ball game. He only played for 3 minutes in the first half because of early foul trouble. Tatlo kagad ang fouls ni Ali Pig.
That's right. So they're going straight to Ali Pig para makabawi naman into the second half.
Ito na nga gusto niyang gawin. Ali Pig, short. And at this point, puntahan natin ang ating kasamang Agent D, Dominic Goy, with a report about Pure Foods.
Thank you, Richard. Itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio, hindi siya nag-aalala sa kanyang koponan dahil sabi nga niya, he is confident in the second half that they will become a better executing team dahil sabi nga niya, 17 turnovers took away at least 34 points sa kanilang koponan. But sabi niya, I'm very confident because we're a second half team.
Yun na nga yung pinag-uusapan natin, no? Itong Pure Foods has been proving themselves as a good second half team. And look at this drive by Roger Yap. And you know, 17 turnovers means 17 possession na wala. No attempt at the basket at all. Just like that, tabla na po ulit tayo dito. Ito na ngayon si John Arrigo. Sinusundan ni Mark Pingris. Swing the ball around. Ito na ngayon si Alex Cabagnot. Bang! TM3. Ang TM na yan ay atin sa inyo ni Alex Cabagnot.
Alex Cabagnot in double figures, Richard, with 10 points dito and benefiting dun sa mas malapit na 3-point line.
So back to a 3-point lead for the Coca-Cola Tigers. James Diak. Hindi na isagot. Ito na naman offensive rebound. Alex Cabagnot against James Yap. They go back to Ali Peak at the post. Makes his move. Will be in. Ali Peak sending hook. Too strong this time. Ay, sayang naman para kay Mark Delan. Good position underneath the basket. Nawala lang ang bola.
Hindi niya na control ang rebound doon. So balik sa Pure Foods ang bola.
Kirby Raimundo posting up. They like this matchup. Dahil dito nga, naka-zone na dito ang Coca-Cola Tigers to start the second half. Roger Yap and second chance opportunity na naman.
4 straight points para dito kay Roger Yap.
Napakasakit yan para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. 13 offensive rebounds resulting to 11 second chance points para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Nalibres kapag nun! Hinabol ni Romel Adupol.
Romel Adupol may ginawang pass swipe na pagpalpal. Sumabit dito kay Alex Cabagnot.
Yan, ha?
Free shots ito para kay Alex Cabagnot.
Oo, Alex Cabagnot also has 3 fouls dito sa ating ball game. 3 free throws for Alex Cabagnot. This is his first one, however. Only the second game, mga kaibigan. Dito ni Alex Cabagnot, of course, missed the first few games para sa Coca-Cola Tigers dahil sa isang injury. Naku, 2 mintis.
Napasok niya yung earlier free throws niya, Richard, 2 out of 2. Pero ngayon, may mintis.
Turning out to be a good foul coming from Romel Adupol. At si Adupol pa nga nakakuha ng rebound. Uncanny for Alex Cabagnot to miss 3 straight free throws.
Coke staying in the zone, Richard.
Oo. Sa ilalim, nawala yung bola kay Romel Adupol. Pero last touch ng Coca-Cola Tigers. 10 seconds sa shot clock ng TJ Giants. Roger Yap makes a move. Roger Yap sumugod. Roger Yap umangat. And Cabagnot gets the rebound. Lead pass to Tolomia. Tolomia, diretso. Gets bumped.
At one of the few times, Richard, na nagtangkang tumakbo itong Coca-Cola dahil most of the time gusto nila set up, no? Control talaga ng tempo. But yeah, may opportunity and resulting in 2 free throws.
Well, actually, Coca-Cola as a team only averaging about 9 points fast break points as compared to the 14 of the Pure Foods TJ Giants. So, in the first half, na-control yan. Ayaw nila may pagsabayan nga sa Pure Foods. And they were able to dictate the tempo. Kaya naman sila lumamang at sa half.
2 for 2. Dito sa Coca-Cola, lamang sila ng 3. And applying some pressure in the backcourt, Richard.
Yes, you really have to be more aggressive, no? If you're the team that's trying to inflict the first loss against the league leaders. And Ali Peak gets the loose ball. Cabagnot. To Arrigo, libre. Oh, maybe too open para kay John Arrigo. Roger Yap. Twirl, spins, binigay sa ilalim kaya Adupol na bitawan na naman. But good break para dito sa Pure Foods. Mananatili sa kanilang bola. Baseline inbound. Kirby Raimundo. James Yap. Bang! The Express na yun ay hatid sa inyo ni James Yap. That's a zone breaker.
Yes, yun talaga yung key, Richard. Ball movement, and finding the gap, yung open spot sa zona. James Yap hitting it from the corner.
Total of 13 points para kay James Yap. So, tingnan natin if Coke will stay a zone sa pagbaba nila sa depensa. In the meantime, ito na ngayon ang gandang pasa sa ilalim. Ali Peak, wala pa rin. Sorry misses from Ali Peak. Good hustle para kay Romel Adupol.